on top of your head or on the hands. Please raise your hands. Anything hot, cool, or some kind of sensation. Very nice. So, to continue with this journey of music and meditation, we would like to sing one song dedicated to our last chakra, which we call it Sahasrara. So, it's the raga of the Sahasrara, Bhairavi. We would request you to be in meditation and to see the difference if you can really feel. Open and you can close your eyes and just feel. Thank you. I sing Sufi, Tingri, and Ghazal, so we need to mix the styles and sing for you.
दयानी भवानी दयानी भवानी दयानी भवानी
दयानी भवानी दयानी
भवानी दयानी महावाक्यवाणी महावाक्यवाणी दयानी महावाक्यवाणी महावाक्यवाणी सुर नर मुनि जनमानि सुर नर मुनि जनमानि
सुर नर मुनि जनमानि सुर नर मुनि जनमानि सुर नर मुनि जनमानि सकल बुध ज्ञानी भवानी
दयानी महावाक्यवाणी 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 सुर नर मुनि जनमानि सकल बोध ज्ञानी भवानी 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 जग जननी जग जानी जग जननी जग जानी जग जननी जग जानी जग जननी जग जानी महिषासुरमर्दिनी
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 महिषासुरमर्दिनी ज्वालामुखी चंडी
ज्वालामुखी चंडी
ज्वालामुखी चंडी अमरा पददानी भवानी दयानी भवानी दयानी महावाकवानी 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 सुर नर मुनि जनमानि सुर नर मुनि जनमानि सुर नर मुनि जनमानि महिषासुरमर्दिनी ज्वालामुखी चंडी अमर पददानी भवानी दयानी भवानी भवानी
Can you feel something? Yes or no? Please raise your hand if you can feel. Very nice. Can you check with your right hand once more on the top of your head? Take down your right hand and check with your left hand. Can you feel something? So this is, like Durga Prasad ji was telling you, that this is the feeling of the first time when we take our self-realization. Now the question is, how we can do meditation every day in our house. Because it's like when you give birth, it's like a small child who has to grow slowly. Like that, it's like a small plant. The seed has been sown today, but you have to give water, sunlight, and some other things to make that small bud grow into a beautiful tree. So that's why it's so important that we take meditation as a lifestyle and not just as a fashion. Because we all here on stage, we all practice this meditation. And this has really helped us to become more centered, to become more in balance, to solve the things in a better way.
You don't have to believe on us. You can just experiment it by yourself. So we will show you how to meditate every day in your house. Generally what happens is we as human beings, we are either too emotional or we are too practical. We either think too much about the past or we think too much about the future. When we are in the present, only then we can be in meditation. So to clean this out, because right now as we just got your realization, we don't know, probably you don't know which you do more, because the subtle system inside will guide us for that. So how to do the meditation to give ourselves a balance every day, and then in the balance you can meditate. So if you can see on the back, first we will try to clear our left side. So you can all put your right hand towards the Mother Earth. Just try and see for yourself, and keep the left hand on your lap. You see, it's very natural because it's very scientific. You see, Mother Earth, she bears everything because she has that power of gravity. So that's why we use Mother Earth, the element, the earth element, to clean our left side. So you can just close your eyes for 2 minutes and just pray inside. Mother Earth, please take away all my thoughts, all my negativities from the past. Please clean my left channel. Now you can put up your right hand. And to clean the right channel, we will use the element ether. So we will put our left hand towards the sky. Right? Left. Yes. Left hand towards the sky. And just pray to the ether element. Oh dear ether element, please take away all my imbalances from my right channel. Overactivity of thoughts, mental activity, which gives me stress. Please throw that away from me. We can pray like this to clean our right channel. O ether element, please take away all the negativities from my right channel. Now you can put down your left hand. Now stretch your right hand and put in the center of your head Sahasrara. This is the integration of all what is inside us. So we are going to press it and move the scalp 7 times like the clock, like we did just now when we were getting our self-realization. Like that, you can just close your eyes and move the hand. And inside, you can just pray. This you can do daily basis in your house. You can just pray, please, dear God or Mother, help me to establish my self-realization. Please help me to establish my self-realization. Now you can put down your hand, and then when the attention is more here, is the attention. It's very important that our attention is inside. It's not concentration, it's attention. So when this will be inside here, then slowly more and more we can feel this energy settling down inside us. Then we can just put our hands here and put our attention here, and we just try to watch our thoughts. If there is too much thoughts, we can just say inside, I forgive my thoughts. I forgive. and just settle down your attention here. Like this, we can do every day. You can see by yourself. And of course, at the end of the program, we will announce where you can come and learn more about this meditation. Of course, it's absolutely free of cost because you cannot pay your inside. It's something which is inside within us. So after the program, we'll give you the information where you can come and learn more about this meditation. And please do it every day in your house to have the full benefit of a balanced life. Thank you so much for doing this with us.